Hi there, welcome back to JD Answers. Today I have the JC Robot Gimbal, and what we're going to do is we're going to do the unboxing and then we're going to put it to a small test. Alright, I'm going to open it up. It slides out. But before we get in there, let's take a look exactly what's on the outside box literature. And on the side, it gives you everything that's inside the box. And it gives you a QR code too for the Gimbal Pro app. And on the back, it gives you a little bit of information about this. It's a quick fold and unfold, one click to switch, gesture control, smart tracking, fill light, panorama, slow motion, and time lapse. All right, now let's get into the box. All right, the first thing we see is the user manual on this. Let's take a look inside to see exactly what it got. It got instructions on how to use this. It getting to know the gimbal. Pretty much gives you a lot of information on that. Charging it. And let's see, combine buttons, work mode, and power off. Again, here you go for the app. So pretty much gives you everything that you need. This gimbal actually has a little fill light, so it gives you some instructions on how to use it, how to power it on. So this is going to be pretty useful. All right, then we got the gimbal itself. So let me go ahead and take this out, the main unit. Here we go. This is more of a grayish color. And right away, it pops out right away, so that was pretty good. All right, I zoomed out just to get you a reference on my hand. My hand is between a large and an extra large. Wrap this up here. Control button right there that I could use. And it pretty much stands about 7 inches after the control module here. So let's take a closer look at this. The cell phone holder itself, you see it has a clamp, the direction of the photo camera, middle clamp. And what it's talking about here is that the lenses of the camera should be on the left side of this. All right, and then this part turns. Here you go. And then when you're done, just fold it back. Let's see if we could do this real quick. There we go. We folded it right back. So on the right side of the dial, you'll see AF. This is for all follow. Smartphone left, right, and up and down follows the movement of the handle. Underneath that is HF, which is half follow, where the smartphone left and right follows the movement of the handle. Now we go back to the top left, you're going to see FPV, which this is for first person view. The gimbal will pan, tilt, roll axis, and follow the movement of the handle. Underneath that, you're going to see LF for lock full, where smartphone is fixed in one direction. On the left side of the controls, you're going to see a port for the charging port, and this is a Type-C USB. And on the right side of the controls is the zoom. You push the slider up and down to zoom in and out. But of course the Bluetooth needs to be connected. Now on the other side of the control is the shutter button. Single press for a single shot or to start or stop the video recording. Now when you double press this, it's to start and stop your recording. Now if you triple press this, it'll capture pictures while you're recording. And the dial in the middle is your joystick. Push the joystick to control the gimbal left, right, up, or down. And we're going to put all these controls to the test. We're going to go each one and show exactly what it does. Let's go ahead and take a look what else we got in the box. All right, right here is this little tripod, which I'm going to like this. My channel, I use a lot of tripods with my YouTube channel. And you'll be able to see one of those videos of how I have all these tripods and what the uses are. But you can see how it just gets connected to the bottom. And right here, there you go, it's about a 1/4. And you just turn it. And there you go. You can see it right there on. It's pretty neat. I like this. It holds up very well. All right, let's see what else we got. Then you got your Type-C USB cord. There you go. And it also came with this handle, the safety handle, and which you tie this to the gimbal, and that way when you're holding it to the handle, you got it, and that way if you think it's going to drop it, well, it's tethered to you. So these always come in handy. Then you got this. This is one of the good things. It's this carrying case. That way your gimbal doesn't get scratched, or you push it in there and move it around and nothing happens to it. You got this. It just prevents it from cosmetic damage. And then we got this fill light, which I'm pretty excited about this. I can't wait to test this. Now the button with the two icons, press and hold the power button to turn off or on the light. Single press it to adjust the light mode. You got light, soft, and mid and strong light for mixed, or warm light, and you got white light. I got a cell phone installed, so what I'm going to do now is turn it on. I'm going to hold down the power button. And there you go. It's already set on portrait mode. So what I'm going to do, if you want to turn the camera to landscaping mode, all you got to do is just press the power button one time. Just a quick break to let you know that don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications, because I have a full video on how to use the gimbal coming out soon. I'll show you step by step on how to connect to the app, how to use the app, and I also got a breakdown of the menu and how to use it. And we're also going to go through all the controls of the gimbal, and we're going to put the gimbal to the test. And if this video has been helpful for you so far this time, go ahead and hit that like button, and you know I appreciate that from you. All right, let's get back to the video now. So now what I'll do is move the joystick around. You could go, if you go up, it pans, the camera goes up. You go down, it'll tilt the camera to go down. You move it up again. So wherever you want it positioned vertically, now you can move it horizontally if you want, by moving it to the left or to the right. And that's how you could do it. So that's the joystick. Up, down, left, right. I'm going to position it right there. What did you think? Was this video helpful for you? If it was, give me that thumbs up. You know I appreciate that from you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and select all notifications for all upcoming videos. If you are interested in any of these products, I'll list links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!